Hi everyone, this is a Lippan artwork making video. Here is an 8-inch MDF board on which I am going to create a Lippan artwork, and I will base paint this board in white first so that any color that you apply later is going to look bright and vibrant. I'll now base paint this in white. The board is painted in white. I'm going to let this dry for half an hour and then base paint it in some other color. Now the white base paint is fully dry. I'm going to base paint it again in yellow. Now the board is fully painted in yellow. I'm going to let this dry for half an hour and then draw some design for Lippan artwork. The base paint yellow was dry, so I found the center, drew some circles, drew some designs, and I'm going to place the clay on all these designs and then place the mirrors later. Let's get started with that. I'll place the clay for this half circle now. I'll place the clay. Now I'll place the Fevicol and the clay for this line. Placing the clay now. I'll place Fevicol and clay for the next line now. Now I'll place Fevicol and clay for the smaller line. For these 4 lines, I'm going to place Fevicol and clay now. I have placed Fevicol for this half circle. Now I'll place the clay. I'll place the Fevicol and the clay in this line. Now I have to place the clay for all these smaller lines here. I'll do it now. I'll place the clay for these 3 lines now. I'll place the clay for some more lines here. So I'm placing Fevicol now. Once that is done, I'll place the clay also. I'll place the clay for the remaining 2 lines also now. The clay is fully now placed for this Lippan artwork. I'm going to let this Fevicol and clay dry for half an hour and then start placing the mirror pieces. Now that the Fevicol and the clay is dry, I'm going to paint white on the clay. I've completed painting on the clay now. I'm going to let this dry for 30 minutes before I start fixing the mirrors here. Now paint on the clay is dry. I can start placing the mirrors. I'll place square shaped mirrors in all these places. I'll place rectangular mirrors here. I'll place diamond shaped mirrors here. I'll keep some white dots here. I'm sure all of you loved this Lippan artwork. Thank you for watching this video.